Hello and welcome once again to this class. In this particular class, our learning objective is to teach you some basic maths formula in Microsoft Excel. And how are we going to start using this formula? You will recall in our previous class, we said that we can extract or use formula whenever we click on a particular cell and then we type the operand is equals to, or we click on a particular cell and we go into the formula bar and then we type is equals to, right? The equal sign. And when we do that, we start typing in our formula. In this case, we'd like to get what is the difference between the cost of good, the original cost of good, and then the discount when it is not applied, or rather when it is applied.